Hi guys, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today's dish is chili garlic squid. Let's see what we need for this dish. Here I have 1.5 pounds of clean squid, half a tomato, half an onion, half of a green and red bell peppers, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of crushed chili, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and finally 3 to 4 spring onions. Let's cut the squid. They are quite slippery, so just be careful. I'm using the head of the squid. You may choose to use only the tubes. So the squid is quite moist and I want to strain the excess liquid before cooking. So tell me, how do you crush your garlic? Do you use a garlic press or use a grater like me, or use the flat side of the knife? My grandma used the grinding stone. Let me know your method in the comment section. So now let's cut the onions, peppers, and tomatoes. I try to cut everything the same size if possible. These spring onions will be added for garnish. The oil is hot and I'm adding the garlic and ginger. After 2 minutes, I will be shallow frying the squid for 3 minutes on medium-high heat. Remove the squid from the pan, discard the liquid, and add some oil. When the oil is hot, saute the onions and peppers for a few minutes. Add the crushed chili, salt, I've always wanted to do that, tomatoes, ketchup, soy sauce, and give it a good stir. Although I strained the squid, look how much liquid has accumulated. I won't be dumping the squid as I don't add the liquid. Now I'm cooking this on high heat. Stir well. If only you could smell this. This is really delicious. If this is gonna bother you, do not add the head. Please subscribe to Gloria's Platter and hit the bell to receive future video notifications. Let's garnish with the spring onions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.